Welcome to the Celebrity Reflection. This is Jason here. I'm going to do a full walkthrough ship tour. If you're thinking about cruising on the Reflection, watch this video. Let's preview Deck 14. We're walking out of the gym. Over here is the solarium. In the corner is the Spa Cafe. Out through here is the main pool. This is the Ocean View Cafe. That's the buffet area. Over here is El Segundo Bacio. Out here is the eating area. And then one deck up is the Sunset Bar. And in this area, you're going to find a lawn club. Let's head on back to the pool area. It's one of the ship's central recreational areas. It offers spacious and inviting places for guests to relax, swim, and enjoy the sun. The pool is located on Deck 14 and is often a focal point of daytime activities and relaxation. In the pool area, you're going to find two pools. They are right next to each other. They are large, rectangular swimming pools with plenty of space for guests to swim or lounge around. Right here is the stage. So on a sea day, you're going to be able to enjoy live music or a DJ. They also offer dance parties here at night as well. So just to recap, you're going to find a couple of pools, plenty of hot tubs, and on the other side of the stage is the pool bar. You can either sit up at the bar or there's plenty of seating right in front of the bar where you can grab one of these nice loungers right here. Let's head on more toward the front. We're going to take a look at the solarium. It is one of the signature features of the ship. It offers a relaxing and luxurious space for guests to unwind while enjoying stunning views of the ocean. One thing I like about it is that it is completely enclosed with glass. They control the elements and the temperature, so it is a nice cool area to lay down and relax. There are a couple of hot tubs, so if you want some nice views of the ocean while relaxing in warm water, that's available. Over here is the Spa Cafe, where you can enjoy a smoothie or a healthy lunch and breakfast. Let's head on up to the front of the ship. We're actually going all the way up to the front. We're going to take a look at the Sky Lounge. This is a vibrant venue offering breathtaking panoramic views and an elegant setting for guests to relax, socialize, and enjoy drinks or light bites. It is located high up on the ship, making it a perfect spot to enjoy sunsets, scenic vistas, and open ocean while sipping on a cocktail or listening to some live music. Keep an eye out later in the evening for amazing dance parties. Let's head on over to the Ocean View Cafe. This is the buffet area. It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Right when you walk in, you're going to go by El Segundo Bacio, which is the specialty coffee place. Folks, keep in mind that the Reflection is part of the Solstice-class. There are 5 ships in the class. If you want to book either one, make sure you give us a call or book online via our website. Either way, you're going to get the best rate guaranteed. Because of our volume, we're actually able to offer you exclusive agency discounts, and we do that in many different ways. We have group space that we book years in advance. Celebrity actually allows us to offer you promotions that are exclusive to us. And in addition, we give you an exclusive agency discount. We save you money in many different ways. It's amazing and our clients love it. Here's what you're going to want to do though. If you're an experienced cruiser, head on over to our website, book online. If you're not, you may need to ask some questions. So in that case, you can always give us a call. Let's head on over to the spa. Here in the spa, you can enjoy signature facials, massage therapies, and body treatments. When you first walk in, if you look over here, you're going to go into the salon and the barbershop. They offer haircuts, pedicures, and many other services. If you would like a haircut, make sure you make a reservation the first day of the cruise. Over here is the Persian Garden. These are the thermal suites. Some of the luxurious spa features are right here in the thermal suites. You can enjoy saunas, steam rooms, heated loungers, and scented showers. Is what I like are the aromatic steam rooms. They really clear the sinuses, and it's nice to grab a heated lounger and enjoy the view. Over here is the fitness center. You can pretty much find any type of equipment in here. You can exercise on treadmills, Stairmasters, grab one of the machines, or you can use the free weights. Keep in mind they also offer classes as well. you can see the schedule of classes in the app. Let's head on to the back of the ship. We're going to take a look at one of my favorite spots. This is the Sunset Bar. It is all the way at the back, so it is an excellent place to enjoy a drink and enjoy the views off the back of the ship. It is an extremely popular bar among cruisers. Let's take a look at the Lawn Club. It is essentially a luxurious manicured lawn at sea where guests can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities in a relaxing, picturesque setting. On either side of the screen, you're going to find the alcoves. These are cabanas available for rent. If you would like one, make sure you make a reservation. Right here at the center of the Lawn Club is the Lawn Club Grill. For those who like dining outdoors, it is an excellent option. The atmosphere is relaxed, but the food quality is exceptional, making it a popular choice for guests who enjoy a personalized culinary experience. Right around the corner is the porch. It also offers an alfresco dining atmosphere. Here you can enjoy fresh seafood dishes. One of my favorites is the grilled lobster rolls, one of the standout dishes of the porch, which is an excellent option if you're going to dine here. We're going to take a look at a couple of venues up here. The first one is the Mass Bar. If you're hanging out at the pool, you just head on up a deck and you can grab a drink right here. Or you can head right around the corner from the Mass Bar and go to the Mass Grill and grab yourself a hamburger, hot dog, or a tasty ice cream. Down the way from the Mass Grill is the Solstice deck. Here you're going to find plenty of seating. It's all the way at the front of the ship. Also here at the front of the ship, you're going to find the basketball court. It's just a half basketball court. It's not a full one. Let's head on down a little bit. We're going to go down to the lower decks. Before we go all the way down to the main decks, we're going to take a look at a few hidden venues. This right here is the library. It is an excellent spot if you need to get some work done. Then right around the corner is Game On, where you can enjoy games here at these tables, or you can grab one of the board games. A lot of people like to come in here and play cards. It's nice and quiet. Over here is the iLounge. This is where you can come to ask any questions about getting on the internet if you have any difficulties. I usually do not. Let's preview Deck 5. We're coming right into the shops right here. After that is the photo gallery, then the art gallery, then more shops. Over here is the world-class bar, then Cafe El Bacio, the gelateria. Through here is the Ensemble Lounge, where you're going to find Michael's Lounge and Burano. Over here is Cuisine, then Blue, and all the way in the back here is the Tuscan Grill. We're going to start off here at the back of the ship. We're going to take a look at the Ensemble Lounge. It's an elegant and sophisticated venue designed to provide a luxurious space for guests to enjoy drinks, light bites, and live entertainment in a refined setting. It's a stylish and intimate space offering a high-end, relaxed atmosphere with stunning decor and fantastic views. This is Michael's Lounge. This is an exclusive area for those guests who have booked in suites. It is an amazing amenity. It's a comfortable lounge with food and drink. Out here, you're going to find a couple of other venues. This is Murano. This is a French-inspired restaurant. You can enjoy modern European influences, focusing on high-quality ingredients, creative presentations, and impeccable service. The menu changes slightly based on the cruise itinerary, but you can expect a combination of traditional and innovative dishes. Let's take a look at Cuisine. It is one of the most innovative and unique specialty restaurant aboard the Celebrity Reflection. Known for its interactive and eclectic dining experience, Cuisine offers a playful take on fine dining. They're going to give you an iPad in which you can browse all of the offerings. Across the hall from Cuisine is Blue. This is a specialty restaurant for those guests who have booked an aqua suite. It is an excellent amenity, and if you do book an aqua suite or are looking to, make sure you give us a call. We want to walk you through everything that you get with your suite. Let's head all the way to the back. This is the Tuscan Grill. It serves a range of classic Italian dishes from homemade pasta to perfectly grilled meats with a focus on fresh, high-quality ingredients. Each dish is designed to highlight the bold, simple flavors that are central to Italian cuisine while incorporating modern culinary techniques. The atmosphere is elegant and contemporary. The design of the Tuscan Grill is inspired by the rustic elegance of Tuscany, Italy. Let's head on back midship. This is Cafe El Bacio. Enjoy a specialty coffee or a nice treat. You can order a Danish, a croissant, a cookie, a cake, or any type of coffee. A lot of people like to come here in the morning and grab a specialty coffee before they head on out. Over here is the gelateria. You can enjoy a nice tasty ice cream or dessert. Over here is Sushi on 5. You can either sit up at the sushi bar or you can grab one of these tables. Keep in mind that all of the sushi here is a la carte and it is reasonably priced. If you are a connoisseur of cocktails, you'll want to head on over to the world-class bar. It is designed for guests who appreciate the art of mixology and high-quality cocktails. Found on several ships in the Celebrity fleet, so even if you're on another Celebrity ship, you still might find the world-class bar. Now, as we leave the world-class bar and head on more up toward the front of the ship, we're going to go through many of the shops. They do have exclusive products, so if you want to buy a luxury watch, keep in mind that while you're at sea, you pay no tax, which is amazing. That could be the difference, especially if you're buying a high-end item. So I recommend that you go ahead and price those things out before you get on the ship. That way you know if you're getting a deal or not. Through here is the photo gallery. You can find all of the pictures that the photographers took of you while you were on board. And that goes right into the art gallery, and all these artworks are for sale. Let's take a look at the Celebrity Reflection Theater. It's one of the premier entertainment venues on the ship, offering a wide array of spectacular performances designed to wow guests with both visual and auditory delights. It is a multi-tiered, state-of-the-art venue that serves as the main location for the ship's Broadway-style shows, musical performances, and other entertainment events. Let's preview Deck 4. We're going to come out of the theater and go right into the entertainment court, which consists of Celebrity Central, Future Cruises. Over here is the photo gallery. Through here is the casino, then Cellar Masters. Over here is the Martini Bar, then the main dining restaurant, and then one deck down is the Grand Foyer, the Passport Bar, and Guest Relations. Let's stay here midship on Deck 4. This is the Martini Bar. It's one of the ship's most popular and stylish venues. It's known for its chic atmosphere, expertly crafted cocktails, and interactive ice bar experience. It's a great spot to enjoy a pre-dinner drink, unwind after a day of activities, or just enjoy the high-energy vibe of this glamorous space. Over to the side is Crush, where you can find many different types of specialty vodkas and gins. This right here is the Grand Foyer. We're going to go right across to the other side and take a look at Cellar Masters. This is the specialty wine venue. Order an abundance and a wide variety of different types of red, white, and sparkling wines to suit your taste. Also, keep in mind that there are plenty of comfortable seats and places to hang out in here. Let's take a look at the Fortune Casino. Pretty much right here in midship, it is impossible to miss. Most likely, you're going to be walking through here when you're headed to the theater at some point in time of the cruise. Come on into the casino. They have a really cool bar right here if you'd like to grab a drink. It's fun to sit here and watch all the action. Through here are a few more stores, and then we're going to come up to another piece of the art gallery. Let's head on into the entertainment court. There are a few venues here. This right here is the main bar, so if you're in this area and you need to grab a drink, this is where you're going to do it. Right around the corner on the other side of the bar is Future Cruise. Folks, they offer amazing deals here while you are on board, so come on in and check that out. Over here is the conference center. They do a lot of conferences on board cruise ships now, so this is the meeting space. And then across the way is Celebrity Central. Many things happen here. They have game shows, comedians, activities. You'll most likely spend a little bit of time in here enjoying the entertainment, as well as in the theater. Keep in mind that they also offer other types of activities during the day. Over here is the main dining room. Folks, this is completely complimentary. The way the main dining works is that after you book your cruise and you come on board, you are going to be able to dine in most places for free. However, they do have specialty restaurants on board as well. We saw a few of those, like Murano. Here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to check out the link down below the video under dining, which will explain all the dining, which is specialty and which is complimentary. And you can also book online there as well. This is Lumini. If you booked a suite, not an aqua suite, and a suite that's actually higher up, you're going to dine in here. This is the exclusive restaurant for guests who have booked in suites. The menu changes most nights, so just keep that in mind. When you eat on a Thursday and you go back on Tuesday, it might have changed up a little bit. Over here is the Shore Excursions desk. Now, we recommend that you book your excursion online before you get on the ship, but if you didn't, you can come on over here. Walking across right here, you're going to go right into the Grand Foyer. A lot of action and activities takes place right here. Every evening there's going to be a DJ or a live band or both, so it is a fun and entertaining area. You'll see a lot of people dancing. Over here is guest relations. Folks, if you have any questions while you're on your cruise, head on over here. They will help you out with whatever you need. And then all the way on the other side of the Grand Foyer is the Passport Bar. So this is where you're going to grab a drink while you're listening or dancing to that live music. Folks, thank you for joining me on the tour. This is Jason. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to get the best rate guaranteed. Check out our website below the description of the video, or you can give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you and have a wonderful day.